Court calls case people versus Philip Zabawa.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Zabawa. Can you state your name for the record, sir?
Yes,
Can you state your name, please?
Philip Zabawa.
Your Honor, we'd be asking to set the matter for preliminary examination.
All discovery is complete.
To my knowledge, it is.
People would have their witnesses available the 22nd.
Just one moment, please, Your Honor.
Mm,
Your Honor, is the court proceeding with the violation?
I am.
Sorry, would the court mind if we could address that first before we set the exam date? We could potentially do the 22nd, but I'm extremely concerned. As recently as October 3rd, it was testing positive for fentanyl and opiates.
You had that?
It's my understanding that those positive tests did exist. My client has provided with us a letter from Sacred Heart. He gets scheduled for intake there at October 14th. So while it looks like he may have had a relapse, he is taking the appropriate measures for his recovery.
Yeah, may I make a statement?
You may.
I don't want you to unless you tell me what you're going to say first.
I just take something.
Mr. Allen.
And Your Honor, the concern of the people is, of course, the most recent positive test being a week ago today, but also that the defendant has never tested negative. Every single test that he's supposed to submit to community correction has either been missed or positive.
I'll just take it. No.
As my client reports, it was not his intent to be taking fentanyl. He didn't know that was in the substance that he had used. He does understand that he has
What was he intending on using?
oxy pills, Your Honor.
I
don't want you to say it because if you say it, it's an admission. If I say it, it's not.
Well, I don't know about all that. Anyway. Anything else?
Judge, only, like I said, he has the intake scheduled for the 14th, so he is taking the appropriate steps to manage that. I would ask the court to allow him to go to treatment and stay out of custody.
Still want it set for exam?
I do, Your Honor. And he does indicate to me that Bright Recovery would take him today. He just doesn't, but I don't have any paperwork to that effect, but that's just what he's reporting. They wouldn't. Okay.
Your Honor, unfortunately, I'm sure the court has this on the community corrections report on the second page indicating that the defendant said that he had a tree fall on him. He wanted to get into inpatient on 10-2. It's sort of like lots of information provided community corrections about plans. And now there's another plan for the 14th. And I understand that is his hope. But the concern of the people is whether or not he's going to make it to the 14th, frankly.
Preliminary examination will be set the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. That is before Judge Fresh Hour. This time defendant's bond because of the positive test and community corrections violation. His bond is hereby ordered revoked. Defendant commanding.
Somebody will see you, sir.
Or